Students, let us not waste our time now. We move on to the concepts directly. What is algebra all about? It's nothing. It's very simple. It just involves constants, variables and some mathematical operations. That's it. See, when you approach algebra, you should have a very clear idea that it does not have anything else other than these three. You'll be manipulating on constants and variables through these mathematical operations, namely the addition operation, subtraction operation, division operation and multiplication operation. That's it. Now, I would like to define what a constant is and what a variables are. What is a constant? As the name specifies, a constant is an entity which does not change at all. Now let me show you an example. Just look at this example 5. It is a figure, right? This 5 is a figure. What have you learned from your small age? When you look at this figure 5, okay students, what do you understand while you see this figure 5? This figure 5 represents that there are 5 counts. Likewise, every numeral has its own value. Okay? This 5, it does not change. It is always the same. As years go by also, this 5 will take up the same count only. And that is why we call them constants. So all numerals are constants. It's very simple, isn't it? Okay, let me move on to the second definition. What is a variable? A variable, as the name indicates, it should keep on changing. That's it. Now, why do I need a variable? In algebra, I will show you an example with a demonstration. A variable is one which can hold any value in it. And also, the value within the variable can keep on changing. That is the significance of a variable. Just look at this diagram. You see a container, okay? You see a holder here. So a variable can be called a holder or a container. So you see a mug here, or I might call a glass tumbler here, okay? The content within this is there are triangles within the container. How many triangles are present within the container? There are 5 triangles present within the container. Is it possible for me to remove these 5 triangles and replace it with some other triangles or with some other objects? Yes, it is possible. Is it possible for me to increase the content within the container? Yes, that is also possible. See, I am going to add 2 more triangles within the container. So now, the capacity of the container has increased. It has reached 7 now. So what do you understand from this? A variable can hold values, but the values that the variables are holding may keep on changing. Okay, what is the name of this variable, this container? It is a glass tumbler or a mug, isn't it? Now, while I am going to use the same variable in, say, my mathematical operations, the naming convention will be very large, and therefore in algebra what we do is that the naming of these containers, we make it short. We shorten the naming convention. How is it possible? We have 26 alphabets in English language. So we are going to use those 26 alphabets to name the containers. So what I am going to do here is that I am going to name this container. I can name it as X, or I can name it as A, B or Y or so. So now you understand that containers are called variables in, say, algebra. What else does algebra require? It requires these mathematical operators, namely the addition operator, subtraction operator, multiplication operator and the division operator. Using these operators and using the constants and variables, we are going to frame